Ian, and? Okay, and? Christoph, and? Angelique. Okay, so, are you ready for our next game? So, our next game is a very simple game. Are you ready for the popcorn game? Are you ready? Alright, so everybody, a round of applause to our 4,000 children. And it's my first time, huh? Okay. Listen. Pop, stand up. And corn, sit down. Corn! Yes, sit down. Very good. Pop! Corn! Kita tayo gwardiya ni Ian, ma'am. Pwede na siya i-remote, sir? Oo. Okay, again! Pa!
Naman tayo bata dito.
Ano ba? Corn! Pa! Corn! Pa! And popcorn, shake your body. Come on. Popcorn, popcorn, shake your body. Popcorn, shake your body. O, diba? Kasi gwardiya ni ma'am. Pwede na ito i-remote, sir. Okay, very good, di ba? Delay lang siya, ha? Okay. Pop! Don't pop. Corn! Alright, pop! And popcorn shake! Popcorn, popcorn, shake your body, popcorn, popcorn, shake your body, popcorn. Di ba? Ready na ba ka? Are you ready, guys? Alright, so this time proper. Or proper game. Okay, so, again, pop, stand up. Corn, sit down, and popcorn, you shake your body. So, pop, stand up. Corn, sit down. Rawr, rawr. Pop. And popcorn shake. Popcorn, popcorn, shake your body, bubble, bubble, shake your body, bubble, shake your body. Corn! Corn! Pop! Pop! Oh, out na, bye-bye. Let me stop. Alright. Popcorn, popcorn, shake. Popcorn, popcorn, shake your body, bubble, bubble, shake your body. Corn! Yes. Corn! Pop!